Resin printing is found in a wide variety of industries, and it can be used at home for DIY crafts projects. The best resin 3D printers used to be difficult to get your hands on, but today there are many different options available, ranging from complex professional models to simplified home versions. You can use 3D printers to make just about anything your imagination desires. These are powerful and fun machines to own that offer many practical advantages. So, how do you choose the Resin 3D printer? And what different options are out there? We will explore this in detail with our complete Resin 3D printer guide below. In this review, we will be discussing in detail the best Resin 3D printer available in the market today. This list was created based on my viewpoints as well as the cost situation in the market. It was obtained after hours of researches, and it has been listed based on economic, features, and price. In this list are diverse alternatives available for buyers. So whether you need best Resin 3D printer, this list will show the products available for that. If you want more information and price, please check the product link below the description. Please subscribe to our channel for more updates.
Our team conducts all types of experiments with the latest products to give a good idea to the audience. With all our experiences, we justify the quality of the newly released products. Our product researchers, through their experiences, provide an actual buying guide list that ensures 3 aspects in the market. These are focused and listed according to price, customers' review, and ratings. Only a real user can justify the quality of a product. Based on those number of users and our tests, we provide every detail, working procedure, and suggestion for opening options to choose the right one. Our review contents: camping and outdoor gear, gadgets and accessories, survival and technical gear, PC and gaming device, health and fitness, home appliance, tools, kitchen gadgets, and transportation. Purchasing the perfect product for your usage is our topmost priority. We aim to give away our best guidelines for you, the viewers only, so you won't hesitate or get confused while selecting the products from the market. Thanks for staying with us. Your satisfaction gives us the motivation for uploading more awesome videos. If you watched our videos, please don't forget to like and share our videos so that others can get benefit from it. For more updates and notifications, please subscribe to our channel by clicking the bell icon.
Buying guide present top 5 best Resin 3D printer. Let's get started with the list of the best Resin 3D printer. Number 1. FLSUN Sonic Mini UV Photocuring LCE Resin 3D printer. Features: XY resolution 0.0625 mm, layer thickness 0.01 to 0.30 mm, printing speed 50 mm/hour, power requirement AC 100-240V-5060HZ, printer size L9.8xW 9.8xH12.9 in, printer weight 9.9 pounds, offline printing by touch panel, excellent accuracy and print quality, reliable and less maintenance, works with third-party resins. Check product link and price on video description below. Please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell button for more updates. Number 2. Nova 3D Bin 4 Mono 3D Printer Free Leveling Resin 3D Printer. Features: 2K monochrome screen 6.08 inches. Truly free leveling. Longer lifespan. CNC metal aluminum parts. Larger molding size. Multiple connects. Free leveling and stability. dual slicing software, and Wi-Fi printing. Check product link and price on video description below. Number 3. Creality 3D UW01 Washing and Curing Station Machine. Features: double row and double band UV lamp beads. Strong wash mode. Adjustable 3-gear speed and 2 to 90 minutes optional. Control method: touch button, LED indicator. LED HE touch button. Dual band UV light source. Magnetic 360 degrees rotatable platform. Large size washing container. Adjustable 3-gear speed. 2 to 90 minutes optional. HE touch button. Check product link and price on video description below. Please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell button for more updates. Number 4. FLSUN QQS Pre-assembled Delta 3D Printer. Features: all metal structure, use high quality metal material, more stable, get better printing precision. Touchscreen support, 3.2-inch TFT touchscreen, easy to use. Power off continue, support power off continue. When the power is off, it is easy to continue when power on. Very quiet, when the printer working, the invoice is very small. When printing, there is just about 50 decibels. Factory test, each printer was keep printing for 48 hours before it is packed. 255x 360mm printing size. Check product link and price on video description below. Number 5. Creality LE002R LCE Resin 3D Printer. Features: superior advantage of brand new functions like Ultra HE2K LCE screen. Kai2 box slicer. Safe air purification system. Print volume 119*65*160mm. Full touch color screen. Convenient resin vat cleaning. Offline printing. All metal body plus CNC aluminum. 2K HE masking screen. Ball linear rails stable Z-axis movement. Check product link and price on video description below. Thanks for watching us. Please subscribe to our channel for more updates.